so pissed because today my 8-year-old cousin came over my house because he needed to be babysitted. So we're just chilling in my room, and he grabs my deodorant and starts putting it on. And I'm like, dude, you're not a man. He's like, what are you talking about? I'm like, dude, can't you read? It says, for men only. See, men. And he started crying. I'm like, dude, what the heck? So I threw him in the closet and locked the door. I think he's still in there. Better go get him out.